with Han is basically you tell him what you need, and only once he listens, and then
delivers.
Yeah, he just package everything together nicely, and then for you to review and proceed with it.
He's very reliable. At the same time, he doesn't give us the vibe of like, it's more like a friend, you know, doing like,
no hard selling.
No hard selling. It's quite relaxed. You don't feel pressured or, you know, so very trustworthy and very reliable.
Any layman will not be, know a lot of, the property industry, whether is it going up or is it going down, that kind of stuff. And sometimes, you really need to make sound judgment, even based on the advice that you get from your agent. I mean, so I think it is really very important to find someone who is trustworthy and reliable. You can count on him to give honest assessment of what he thinks and whether this place is a good investment. If assuming that we decide to sell, will we be able to sell it? Yeah, so we can always count on him on advice. I need to emphasize that he really do understand our requirements. He really listens. He is very well aware that we value privacy a lot, and we absolutely dislike the idea of having our place being turned into a show flat. He screened those on the profiles of potential buyers, and the sale was completed actually in one viewing. On the same day it was listed. So it is quite impressive because it met all our requirements, like in terms of the extension of stay and also meet the asking price that we are looking for.
He also actually introduced mortgage bankers and law firms he worked closely with to us. So the rates are pretty reasonable and it's comparable to the market rates. So basically we told him that he's actually a one-stop solution. So he makes everything very hassle-free for us. Which is what we needed.
Apart from the advice that he gives us, I think we don't even need to source for mortgage bankers. He has, like a list ready to you. One, UOB, OCBC, DBS, that kind of stuff. Which law firm would you like to, So yeah, really very appreciate him being a one-stop solution. He has been selling, flats, based on the CA records. Of course, he needs to find another place for, the sellers and stuff. So there is a good track record over there, and that is already a strong testament of his abilities to deliver.
I would like to thank Asley and Sharon for taking their time to do this testimonial video, and also to entrust me to handle their overall selling and buying transaction from the very start to the very end. If you have any questions about upgrading your property safely and want to hunt for the right property, contact me, Agent Hunt from the Right Hunt, and let's together hunt for the best.